Thank you very much, the chairperson of Acholi Local Government leaders, and I want to thank the press for the massive turnout that shows the commitment that you have with the leadership of the Acholi sub-region. As you look through the terms of reference that we have as the leaders, we have talked about unity, we have talked about eradication of poverty, we want to industrialize the Acholi sub-region, and of course, we look at the strategic management for our land. I want to appreciate that we have come together as the sub-region leaders, and this is an opportunity that we need to really take care of. As Nwaya District and the sub-region at large, we have opportunities. The capital, and when we are talking about fighting poverty, then we are talking about land as a production, as a factor of production. As of now, our people are not making use of this land. We continue to call on government to support us with relief service, but I want to believe this is just a handout. But as of now, I want to agree that our people are in their need of relief service. As the sub-region, we need to look at other opportunities that we have to address the challenge of drought in our sub-region. I want to appeal to government that there is need to have water production, water for production. This is going to address the challenge of drought. This is going to diversify our farming activities. But the biggest challenge as of now is this water for production is very expensive and our community cannot really afford. When you hear about 20% and 60% being catered for by government, and when you compute the 20% that they're talking about, it's quite a lot of money. And I want to appeal that if government can reduce so that we are able to see more people getting involved in solar irrigation system, in water for production, this is actually going to address some of these gaps that we are seeing. As we talk now, we are more on cereals, we are more on other crops, but you find that people are coming from outside Acholi sub-region using water for production, using the solar irrigation system. They are producing a lot of vegetables. That means we really have opportunity to change the life of our people. As I talk now, the land that we have can feed the entire country, but we are not making use of it. As in why this, we try just to compete. We have opportunity of Bokona in the district. Bokona has a factory that demands 75,000 tons of maize and cassava annually. Now, this is actually the best opportunity that if we mobilize people, we can put money in the hand of our people. Now, when you compute, if in a year, one factory is demanding about 75,000 tons of both cassava and maize, that means we can mobilize our people to benefit from about 37,000 acres, 37,500 acres. Now, out of this, you will find that maize might take about 12,500. Now, if we say per household, we are able to encourage our people to have just 1 or 2 acres of maize and cassava. We can go a long way in fighting poverty in our household. So when we mobilize fully, this business of begging government will come to an end. But for now, we are not safe as the sub-region. In Nwaya District, we may not say the drought has affected us heavily, but our biggest problem in Nwaya is problem animals. Go to sub-counties like Lee, in the parishes of Langele and Lee itself. People have invested, people have planted heavily, But elephants came for their shares and they finished the entire shares that should have come home. And you know, elephants behave like human beings. They check if the maize is not ready, they leave it there also. They come when it is ready. At the time when you go to harvest, they are also there to help you. So that really has left our community without anything. Go to another sub-county around Donlem. Go to Koron sub-county around Atuomo. Go to Guatapuoyo. The level of destruction is too high. And Mr. Chairman, I want to appeal to government. There is urgent need to finish this fencing of the park if our people is to be safe. We do not want to be beggars. We have the opportunities to improve our livelihoods, but the level of destruction by animals from the protected areas is really too much. And this is a big challenge, and I want really to appeal to our colleagues. This is the time. The time is now to change the sub-region. We are not going to wait for anybody to come and support us, but we need to really consolidate the initiative that we started. And I want to say to the public that this is a very good strategic direction that we have taken. And I believe if the public support us, other stakeholders support us, we can address all these challenges that we are seeing as of now. We will continue to update you from time to time on the progress that we have, but taking into account that we have a lot of mantle of work that we should undertake if we are to move this sub-region forward. I thank you so much.